Standard 5 Maths. Let's begin the new lesson, chapter number 8, Mapping Your Way. In textbook, page number 112. So let's read here. Ashi is going to India Gate to see the Republic Day parade with the other children of her school. Ashi going to the India Gate. Where is India Gate? It is located in Delhi. As the children settle down, they hear something about India Gate on the loudspeaker. What they said in the loudspeaker? Let's read. To the right of the president is the India Gate. To the right of the president. President की right side पे India Gate है. This was built in memory of the Indian soldiers who died in the First World War. India Gate is built for the memory of the Indian soldiers who died in the First World War. There are lots of people sitting on both the side of Rajpath. Rajpath also is there. हम अभी देखेंगे राजपथ कहाँ है, इंडिया गेट कहाँ है. The main road along which the parade passes. जो main road है, that is the राजपथ, जहाँ से parade pass होती है. Children are talking about the buildings they can see around them. उनकी चारों ओर दूसरे अलग अलग buildings थी, उनके बारे में वो लोग बातें कर रहे थे. See, one picture is given here. Sir told us that Rashtrapati Bhavan faces India Gate. Rashtrapati Bhavan faces India Gate. So that last building on our right side must be Rashtrapati Bhavan. राष्ट्रपति भवन इंडिया गेट की सामने है. लुक अदिति, दिस इज इंडिया गेट. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ इंडिया गेट. ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 113. हियर इज अ फोटोग्राफ टेकन फ्रॉम अ हेलीकॉप्टर. Photograph is here. It is taken from the helicopter. You can see Rajpath. This is the main path, main road. Rajpath, the road which joins India Gate and Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is the India Gate and this is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So Rashtrapati Bhavan faces India Gate. Rashtrapati Bhavan faces India Gate. And this road, this main road is Rajpath. The road which joins India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan. Mark where on Rajpath will Aditi be. हमको मार्क करना है कि अदिति कहाँ हो सकती है. वो इंडिया गेट की कहाँ है, कहाँ थे वो, राइट साइड पे थे. ओके, वन फोटो. दिस इज द मैप 1. ओके, दिस फोटो इज टेकन फ्रॉम द हेलीकॉप्टर एंड इस फोटो का ये मैप है. दिस इज द मैप. सो लेट्स सी हियर. This map 1 is the map of this picture. Now let's see. This one is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then Vijay Chowk. Then आगे crossing है Rafi Marg. It is the Rafi Marg. Then आगे Rajpath. This main way is the Rajpath. Another crossing is Janpath. Rafi Marg. Then Janpath. Then आगे जाओ. One hexagon is here. Okay, here, and this crossing and this road is Mansingh Road. 3 roads are there. See, Rafi Marg, Janpath and Mansingh Road. Then here in hexagon at last building is National Stadium. See, this one is the National Stadium. And Tilak Marg. This is the Tilak Marg. You can read here Tilak Marg. This one is the Kasturba Gandhi Marg. Kasturba Gandhi Marg. And this side it is Dr. Zakir Hussain Road. Dr. Zakir Hussain Road. Let's read some questions are given here. Match the map and the photo. Photo and map. ये दोनों मैच करने हैं. 1 number. Have you seen a map of a city? आपकी सिटी का आपने मैप देखा है कभी? नहीं देखा है तो देख लेना. Look at the map 1. This is the map 1. Match it with the photo and find out where India Gate is. Let's find out. In photo, India Gate is here. So in map, where you can see the India Gate? Yes, it is here. India Gate is located here. We can say in the map it is here. Then Draw it on the map. Here space is very small, very less, so we cannot draw here. Instead of drawing, we can mark here. So it is the India Gate. Number 2, some roads are shown in this part of the map. Look for them in the photo. Roads hai. We saw the roads, Rafi Marg, Janpat and the Mansingh Marg. Let's see here in this photo. Is it clearly visible or not? Let's check. This is the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and after Rashtrapati Bhavan, this one. This one is the Rafi Marg. In your textbook you can check, this one is the Rafi Marg. Second crossing, and after this crossing, Janpat, and this one is the Mansingh Road. So yes, we can say the roads shown in the map are clearly visible in the photo. Number 3, name roads that you will cross on your way from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. राष्ट्रपति भवन टू इंडिया गेट कौन कौन से रोड क्रॉस करते हो? लेट्स सी फर्स्ट फ्रॉम राष्ट्रपति भवन टू इंडिया गेट. इंडिया गेट इज हियर and Rashtrapati Bhavan is here. So on the way from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate, you can cross this road, Rafi Marg, then Janpat and Mansingh Road. Rafi Marg, Janpat and Mansingh Road. So let's write in the textbook. So you can write the answers with a pencil in the textbook. Last number 4, look for the National Stadium in map 1. Can you see it in the photo? In National Stadium. See, this one is the National Stadium in map 1. Can you see in the photo? Photo में National Stadium दिखाई दे रहा है? No. So write here no. In the number 4 answer कि the National Stadium is seen in map 1 but cannot be seen in the photo. Next page, page number 114. The central hexagon. This one. This map 2. This map is of this photo. This hexagon is given in map 1. So this map in map 1, one hexagon here. Clearly zoom करके हम Google Map में zoom करते हैं ना. Okay. Like that it is given here. If we zoom in to look for closely at one part of the map, it looks like this. See here. Look at the shape of the yellow area. Yellow area. Have you seen this shape before? ऐसा shape कभी देखा है आपने पहले? Yes, obviously कभी देखा है. You have seen this shape before. It has six side. It has 6 sides and we can say it is the hexagon. And this place is called the central hexagon. This place is called the central hexagon. Now question answers are given. If you are walking on Rajpath, then after India Gate, on which side would children's park be? चलो चलते हैं राजपाथ से. This way is the Rajpath and this is the India Gate. So you are walking on the Rajpath and after Rajpath you reach at the India Gate. India Gate पे आए? Okay. So what is the question? On which side would the children park? On which side children park? It is here. So on which side? Walking on the Rajpath and then after India Gate, the children park is on the right side. The children park is on the right side. So write in the answer right side. Number 2. Which of these roads make the biggest angle between them? Angle. You all are very familiar with the angle. Okay. This is the right angle. Less than right angle. Acute angle. And more than right angle. It is the obtuse angle. So this is the bigger and this one is the smaller angle. So 3 roads are given. And we have to find out which angle is the biggest. One Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road. Let's see in the picture map 2. Mansi Road. Find out the Mansi Road. Can you see? Yes. This one is the Mansi Road and Shahjahan Road. Mansi Road and Shahjahan Road. So they make this angle. This angle first number. Then B. Ashoka Road and Mansi Road. Ashoka Road, find out Ashoka Road. Where it is? Yes, it is here. And Mansi Road. So they make this type of angle. We can give the number 1, 2, 3. Number C, Janpath and Rajpath. Janpath and Rajpath. Janpath and Rajpath. Like this type of angle, right angle, like right angle. 3 number. So among this one, 1, 2 and 3, which one is bigger? Simply you can say number 2. Number 2 is the bigger angle. And which are these? Mansi Road and Ashok Road. Which option? Mansi Road and Ashok Road? It is B. So tick at B. Correct answer is B. Which of these roads make the biggest angle between them? So Ashoka Road and Mansi Road make the biggest angle between them. Number 3. Which of the above pairs of roads cut at right angles? Right angle में कौन सा road cut होता है? Let's see here in the picture. Right side, right angle. अभी हमने देखा. So this one, Janpath and Rajpath, वो right angle में cut होते हैं. Janpath and Rajpath cut at a right angle. Next page, page number 115. Waiting for the parade. While waiting for the parade, Kancha and some of his friends wonder where this parade ends. They are wondering कि वो parade यहाँ से start तो हुई, लेकिन end कहाँ पे होगी? Kancha is carrying a newspaper in which the route of the parade is written. Parade कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाने वाली है, कौन सा रूट है वो लिखा हुआ था न्यूज़पेपर के अंदर. Let's see. First Vijay Chowk, Rajpath, then India Gate, Tilak Marg, B.S. Zafar Marg, Subhash Marg, and it will end at the Red Fort. So let's see here in the map 3. The parade starts from the Vijay Chowk. Vijay Chowk is here. So it starts from the Vijay Chowk and Vijay Chowk se Rajpath. This one is the Rajpath. Okay. So Rajpath. Then India Gate. Okay. India Gate के बाद तिलक मार्ग. See, this mark is a Tilak mark. See, handwritings are very small in your textbook. You can see this one is the Tilak mark. So parade is on Tilak mark. After Tilak mark, B.S. Zafar mark. B.S. Zafar mark, full form of B.S. Zafar mark is Bahadur Shah Zafar mark. Bahadur Shah Zafar mark. So आगे जाएंगी बहादुर शाह जफर मार्ग and then सुभाष मार्ग. Then next है सुभाष मार्ग. ये है सुभाष मार्ग and सुभाष मार्ग के बाद रेड फोर्ट. This one is the सुभाष मार्ग. पूरा ये सुभाष मार्ग है और afterwards it will reach, it ends at the red fort. Okay, so the way the route of the parade is, it will start from Vijay Chowk, then India Gate, Tilak Marg, B.S. Zafar Marg, Subhas Marg and Red Fort. On this map, map 3 scale is given. 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. In every map, the scale is different. This scale is for this map only. कि 2 centimeter है, वहाँ 1 kilometer का अंतर है. So let's read here next page, page number 116. They are discuss about something. Then on this map, it is about 4 centimeter. What is Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate? Okay, that they are talking about that my mother told me it 2 kilometers from Vijay Chowk to India Gate. Vijay Chowk से India Gate 2 kilometers है. They are talking about that. So it is about 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeter on the map is the same as 2 kilometer on the ground. How it is? Let's see. You are right. See, it is written at the bottom of this map. We saw at the bottom that 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. 2 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 किलोमीटर, यानी कि 2 सेंटीमीटर मैप के ऊपर होता है तो उसको हमको 1 किलोमीटर काउंट करना है. लेट्स सी हियर, दिस इज द मैप. टेक अ स्केल and then see here, take a scale and 2 centimeter. You can see here 2 centimeter from here to here. So 2 centimeter on the map. So it is approximately 1 kilometer in original. Mark the route. 1 number. Trace the route of the parade in map 3 and mark India Gate and Rajpath. Trace the route of the parade in map 3 and mark India Gate and Rajpath. India Gate and Rajpath कहाँ है वो mark करना है. So on map 3 India Gate is here. You can mark with any color pencil. It is the India Gate and this one is the Rajpath. This main way is the Rajpath. Okay. Number 2. Look at the map carefully and find out A. Which of this is the longest road? We have to find out the longest road. 3 roads name are given. B.S. Zafar Marg, Subhash Marg and Tilak Marg. Let's see on the Tilak Marg is the longest because the measure of Tilak Marg here on map 3 4 centimeter approximately. Here B.S. Zafar Marg 3 centimeter and Subhash Marg it is 3.5 centimeter approximately. So Tilak Marg, we can say Tilak Marg is the longest road. Ticket Tilak Marg. B. If Rubia is coming from Jama Masjid to join the parade. Jama Masjid to join the parade, guess about how far she will have to walk. Let's see here Jama Masjid. Let's find first Jama Masjid. Where is the Jama Masjid? Yes, it is located here. So from Jama Masjid to join the parade. Jama Masjid to parade. From here to here. Let's see here how long it is. 2 centimeter. Jama Masjid to parade 2 centimeter. And here on map 3, what is the scale? 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So we can say Rubia is coming from the Jama Masjid to join the parade. So how far she will have to walk? She has to walk 1 kilometer. See, the total route of the parade is about how long? So total route we have to count. Let's count total route. The parade starts from Vijay Chowk. It is approximately 6 centimeter. Then Tilak Marg 4 centimeter. Then B.S. Zafar Marg we already counted 3 centimeter. And this one Subhash Marg, that is also 3 centimeter. So total how many centimeters? 6 and 4, 10 and 6. 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter. Now on the scale. 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter is equal to how many? 2 centimeter 1 kilometer. So 16 centimeter, 16 divided by 2. So it is 8 kilometer. So the route of the parade is about 8 kilometer. As the parade passes by, they see some children coming on an elephant. These children have got bravery award. Some children coming on the elephant. Elephant के ऊपर बैठ के परेड के अंदर आ रहे थे. Why? Because they got bravery awards. They also enjoy the colorful dances and aerobics by school children. They want to follow the parade to Red Fort. Gappu has seen Red Fort before and tells them about his trip.